Alright, what's up guys? Jona here. So, this is my second video. I had like a totally different idea this morning. And again, same as yesterday, didn't go through like too many factors that didn't fit my plan and schedule of today. So, I had another idea. I'm doing like this new kind of, it's more like a conceptual idea of a kind of a photo project. I'll show some examples now. Alright, so now that you know what the concept is about, I want to show you this. Do you see this lens? It's like a $250 lens, so that's like literally, I mean, let's say it could be expensive, but in photography world this is cheap. This is like cheap, $250, you'll be thanking me that you got like a lens that's only $250. So, one, it's a great vlogging lens. Two, I really believe that you can take great pictures with any lens. So this has an aperture of 4.5, so you won't get like a nice shallow depth of field and bokeh, which you get like with more expensive lenses which have f1.4 or something like this. But it's all about what you do with the lens. So I'll show you now what kind of pictures I take with it and why this lens is perfect for it, and you can actually get great pictures with any kind of lens. Okay. Alright, so we're here with Jona. So as I was telling you, you kind of have to know what you do with your lens, and then you can get great results with any type of lens, even a lens like from $250. So what the concept is we're shooting in toilets. It's kind of a weird idea maybe, but I like it. And like the model, she is like wearing some kind of rock and roll kind of type of look downstairs, and then some lingerie on the top and some weird accessories to make it even more interesting, as the toilet is not interesting enough already. So what I want to say is, this picture will be cool. Why? Because it's actually more about the location and the model than having a super expensive lens. Now another thing which actually makes this lens even perfect for it is it's a 10mm wide angle lens. Let's say you have like a 50mm super expensive 1.4 lens. Alright, what do you want to shoot with it? Like some close-up portrait where you have crazy bokeh. You don't want to do it here because you want to show the environment. I don't go to a toilet to just like photograph her face, you know, it would be stupid. So I want to get the toilet in the shot. So that's why the 10mm. And okay, the lens is 4.5, that's what makes it kind of cheap. But it doesn't matter here, because I want to have everything in focus anyways. Because shooting at 1.4 would, I don't know, it wouldn't have like the effect that I want, like with the hard flash, which makes it even more edgy. So, bam, here you go, that's a thing, and like a reason that I really believe in that you can shoot with any lens great pictures if you think about what you can do with a specific lens. Alright, so sometimes you have like a little bit of weird ideas, like taking pictures in toilets of restaurants, because let's say at bars and restaurants most of the time have like the most interesting toilets, and it's actually quite okay if you have like an idea to just ask somebody, you know. So I asked the manager here if it was okay, and he was like, sure man, no problem. So yeah, don't be afraid to ask some people if they want to let you shoot somewhere, because most of the time they'll be glad to help you out, and you can actually even promise them some advertisements, you will tag them in your picture or whatever. So don't be afraid to ask. Alright, so we're in the next location, it's another toilet, and it's another toilet. And the model has like another look, because like it's an awesome look I think. because the previous toilet was a bit more, I mean, I wouldn't say fancy or classy, but it was like black and white, so it was kind of sober, so she was also a bit more sober. And now it's a bit more trashy, so we went for the trashy look. And yeah.
Your side, I've been standing on your shoulders when I know you'd be dancing in circles around me, dancing in circles around me, dancing in circles. Tell me what I have to do to walk beside you. I'm feeling dizzy and I need you to let me down and see. I've been standing on your shoulders. Now I see you dancing in circles around me, dancing in circles around me, dancing in circles. Tell me what I have to do to walk in your shoes. Tell me what I have to do to be the one that's by your side. I've been standing on your shoulders. Now I see I've been standing on your shoulders. You're like a dream. Did I ever even have you? Now I see you dancing in circles around me, around me.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the like mini tutorial, let's say. Actually, just about saying every lens has the capability of taking awesome pictures if you know what to do with the lens. And what do you do with a wide angle lens with a fucked up aperture? You look for an interesting small place to photograph, because the wide angle will help show that. And it doesn't matter if you don't have like a nice sharp depth of field, because it's more about the awesome model and the location. So yeah, I'm doing this for the next 30 days, by the way. Every day I'm making a video about like kind of random photography stuff like this. So subscribe if you think it's awesome, because it's not the typical style of reviews of our tutorials. But I hope you find some useful information, and see you in the next one.